Hello friends, this is Navjeet, co-founder NSN Women. So, welcome to the NSN Candid Conversation. Through these interactions, we aim to get across the voice of women entrepreneurs to the wider audience. We three moms started this journey in 2018. Me, Navjeet, and Namneet, she's handling the chapter Bhubaneswar, and Shubhi. And she's with us. Please welcome Shubhi and so that we can have a fun interaction with her. So please, Shubhi.
Hello everyone, I'm Shubhi, co-founder NSN. We started this journey 5 years back with a very humble and casual way. However, we never knew that this would build into such a big platform with so many women entrepreneurs wanting to join us in this journey. So, Navjeet, what exactly is NSN?
NSN is an exclusive group of women entrepreneurs, and we aim to close a knit group of where you can discuss about business, not only about business, but about the personal challenges we face every day.
Right. Also, we want to let everyone know about the different work that the ladies have been doing in their different areas through women supporting women. So, NSN stands for
Nurture, strengthen, and networking.
Right. So, nurture ideas into strong businesses through the NSN network and marketing.
So, Shubhi, I just want to know, when we start this journey, it was a fun way we started this.
Right.
So, I just want to know, what are the challenges you faced during this journey?
Right. So, Navjeet, I feel the challenges were several. However, the biggest one that I came across was ladies need to get out of their houses. इतने काम होते हैं. They have to do their housework.
Yes.
They have to
manage the
cater
kids.
they have to cater to their kids. They have so many things going on, and this is something that takes a back seat.
Yes.
Networking is something that no one takes a priority.
Right.
They have not understood the importance of networking so far. So this was the biggest challenge I feel that we faced throughout the year, that making them understand that meeting different ladies with like-minded backgrounds.
Yes.
And just meet them socially, interact with them, and there are several problems that each one of them face. So this is how they will grow.
Definitely. Because women, they have to show everyone that they are the multitasker. They can manage everything if they want to. So
Right.
if they take that step, that yes, I want to do this, maybe it's their personal life or the professional lives, but once they take a stand, and definitely they'll do much
Wonders.
better. Wonders, actually.
And I think another challenge that we faced was, and I think Navjeet would completely agree with me on this, was organizing the events.
This is the biggest challenge.
मतलब last minute
बहुत
जो
सारी
हिकअप्स हो
चीजें
जाते
होती
हैं,
हैं।
कैमरामैन नहीं आ रहा है,
Exactly.
फोन करो कैमरामैन नहीं आया है,
Right. और हमारे
गिफ्ट्स नहीं आए हैं,
गिफ्ट्स नहीं आए हैं, और
ऑडियंस नहीं आई है.
ऑडियंस नहीं आई है. यस, ऑडियंस इज वन थिंग. वो हमारे पे इतना प्रेशर होता है कि यार लास्ट मोमेंट को कैंसिल तो नहीं कर देगा.
Right.
वी हैव टू फॉलो अप.
Correct.
हमने कई
And-
चैलेंजेस फेस किए हैं कि लास्ट मोमेंट डिच हमें कई लोगों ने कर दिया है,
Right.
प्रोफेशनली आल्सो, एंड दैट इज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज वी फेस्ड इन आवर लास्ट इवेंट. बट
I think that's how we grow.
learn.
In this past 1 year, I think we've done almost 12 events.
Yes.
And
yes.
I don't think any has been like all have been a good success.
Yes.
And
Yes.
that is how we've been growing so far.
Right.
So challenges तो बहुत थे.
But still we'll manage. Don't worry.
नहीं, but अच्छी बातें क्या थी?
अच्छी
क्यों
बात है।
कर रहे हैं ये?
हम ये कर रहे हैं, जब हम ये चैलेंजेस के साथ काम करते हैं, तो when we get the results, when we are appreciated, when we get motivated by our members or other crowd in the
Correct.
city, and that makes actually wonders. That makes
Right.
wonders. That push us to
Do better.
Better.
Actually, many members call us and they themselves say कि हमें भी आपके साथ we want to
Collaborate
come
करना
with
है.
you.
Yes.
We want to collaborate with you, and that is what success
Yes.
is. I feel
Yes.
that people are getting to know your name.
Right.
So I feel this growth is tremendous. and people are recognizing us, and that is what is keeping us going.
Right.
Right?
So, you tell me, what is the aim of NSN?
Okay, so the aim of NSN, I feel, is we've come so far. Now we want to add in more ladies. We want to get more ladies on board with us who are working on different platforms, who are working in different fields, and get them together, get them to work with each other and collaborate with each other. So NSN is basically a platform where ladies can collaborate and work with each other to get to greater heights in their work.
Right.
If you see the current statistics from CNBC, only 14% of the Indian women
That's very less.
That's actually very less.
Very less.
Are entrepreneurs. So if you see, if more women come on board, they will be more financially independent,
Right.
they will be more confident, they will be able to handle their household better.
Yeah, and basically, if they'll come out of their zone, definitely they'll grow. And we have so much stress these days.
Correct. The mental health.
The mental health is the main issue these days.
Right.
So then only when we'll interact with each other, we'll network with each other, we'll share our personal things, we'll share our professional challenges.
Right.
So then only we'll come out of that zone.
Right. Actually, a few of the ladies have come to me and they have said that I just want to come there and just interact with like-minded ladies.
Right.
You know, that is also very important for a mental stress buster.
Yes.
Right? So, my aim is to onboard more ladies, get into different cities, go online, get a website, get an app, go
So
global.
we are giving the platform to everyone that we are here to support
Right.
you guys. So whatever, in personal reasons also, you can just call Shubhi and Navneet. We are 24/7 available, and you guys can call us and talk to us about anything. It's
Correct.
not only about business or you want to become a member. Not only this, but definitely you guys can. Catch up with us for coffee also. So we are available for that also. So Shubhi, this is all about NSN. So let's more about each other. So let's have a small question answer round with each other.
Done.
So that
Let's
calm
Calm the air.
Calm the air.
Right.
Yeah. So okay, you tell me that what's your perfect evening after a busy schedule of your life or a week?
Okay. So my perfect evening would be sitting in front of TV, having my Netflix on, and having a good
And
cup of coffee. And having a good cup of coffee. So yeah, that is my perfect evening, having a me time, sitting quietly and just watching
This
TV.
is what many
women
of the women need this thing.
Right,
The me time
right.
is very important.
Correct.
Right.
Okay, so now my turn. What is one superstition that you have?
I don't believe in superstitions, but I just go with the flow. Whatever happened, I think everything happened for a reason.
Right.
So everything is
Destined.
Yes, destined. So I think, but indirectly you can see that I am wearing.
Yeah, how can you say you're not superstitious?
Yes, but somebody told me, oh, you must wear this.
So the society dictates what we do.
So yes.
Yes.
So indirectly, yes. Somehow we
End up doing.
Yes. we
Correct.
end up
Yeah,
doing.
even I feel I'm not entirely superstitious, but in some things like the kids, when the kids come,
Yes,
then you are
become
like,
more-
ki,
Kala tika
kala dhaga laga do, kala
Kala
tika
tika
laga do.
lagana.
So yeah. So
Yeah.
in some ways we are.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, now you tell me what movie you could watch every day without getting bored.
So I do not have that much time. I think you'll agree with
Yes,
me.
definitely,
We don't have
definitely.
2.5 hours to sit straight through a
Right.
movie. So I love watching Friends on Netflix,
Okay.
and that's what I do. That's my me time. And Friends is something that I can watch every day.
Everybody can watch Friends
I know,
anytime.
I know.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your favorite kind of weather?
Weather. It's too hot here,
I know.
and I'm waiting for the rainy season because I love rain and I love driving. And when it rains, I just go for a long drive with the music on.
The me
With
time.
high music on. That's the me time. You know
Yeah,
that how
correct.
my volume
I
goes
know.
in it.
I can't sit in a car.
So that is what I like the most. The music.
Excellent.
So now you tell me this. What phone app do you use? Because you are the best content writer we have. So whatever she writes, it's perfect. So you tell me now, what app do you use?
So the app for my content is my mind.
Oh, that's perfect.
However,
Because she's so smart and she's so intelligent. The content she writes like amazing.
Thank you. But however, the app that I use on my phone and I'm very frequent with that is WhatsApp. And I think all the ladies in Chandigarh would know about that because I am so quick with my
And
messages.
everybody knows. Like some our friends definitely they'll watch the video and they will.
Who is the one
Who is the
messaging
one
them
who's messaging?
at 4 a.m. in the
Oh,
morning?
that should be. That should be. Event में हमें पता चलता रहता है
So,
कि
right.
everybody asks who is Shubhi? उनका text आया था. So this is one of the best.
Actually,
things.
one of the members once asked me कि यार रात में 12 बजे भी मैसेज आया, सुबह 4 बजे भी मैसेज आया, ये वहीं रहती हो क्या? So yeah, WhatsApp
This
is
is the
something that I'm
dedication.
very
Yeah.
frequent with.
Okay.
Yes. So a very short question: coffee or tea?
वैसे तो मुझे ना चाय पे चर्चा बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I love doing this, but we have a
Controversial.
controversial conversation on coffee with NSN. So definitely I'll go for coffee.
Okay. Yeah, even I'll go for that. Yeah.
Yes. So when are you inviting me for the dinner? So you'll cook by yourself or you'll go out and
Navjeet, you know I'll go out with you because how much I love cooking.
Yes, I know that.
You,
I know
you
that.
know how much I
Yes,
love cooking,
definitely I
so
know
we'll
that.
go out, have a good dinner, and
Okay.
yeah, that is what I prefer.
right.
So, who is your biggest supporter?
Biggest supporter is my son.
Okay.
Like he gives me plenty of advice. Mama, you're doing this, you do that, you make videos, you put it on Insta. Like he's so pro about that and he gives me
And he's
idea.
just 8.
And he's just he's turning 9 now. And this gave me a push that definitely
That you always need.
Yes. So this is the
So,
biggest support I have.
it was
and
great.
of course NSN.
Ah.
Because NSN
You took us second.
no. NSN is like we are together, and there are so many, instances come during our
Right.
journey when we feel very low. That sometimes so we thought let's wind up when
Right.
we don't get that support
Response.
response or
Right.
support. So NSN is 3 ladies and we support each other. We have personal challenges, we have professional challenges, but
Right.
we always motivate each other, and that is what we need.
That is what keeps us going, I
Yes.
feel, and that is what we need from NSN exactly.
Exactly.
Right, when 3 ladies can support each other so well, what happens when 100 come together?
Yes.
And they, rather than feeling jealous or competition with each other, they
Right.
support one another and
Right.
work with each other, and that is what we aim through NSN.
This is the aim. Basically, this is
Right.
the aim of the NSN.
So this time you're seeing both of us sitting here, but next time there will be different ladies talking about their work, talking about their personal life, and having a very casual, fun interaction with
with
each other.
Yes.
So
And
stay tuned.
for that, and
Yeah.
we'll see you guys soon. And
This is just the
good luck.
start.
This is just a start, and we'll come up with the different ideas and different topics where we can share about the
Work.
journey of the
Ladies. Yes.
So thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for having us.
See you next time.
Bye.